Everyone thinks the best-selling accessories for the DJI Mini 4 Pro are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Leicas Titan Hard Case. First up, we have the Leicas Titan MM410 Waterproof Hard Case. This sturdy case caught my eye right away, especially with its IP67 watertight rating, meaning your gear stays safe even if it gets dunked. Priced at $50.67, if you want to protect your DJI Mini 4 Pro and all its accessories, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This case fits the DJI Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3, and even the RC controllers and can hold up to 7 batteries. The CNC precision cut foam adds a layer of protection that absorbs shocks, which is key if you're traveling. Not to mention, the external polypropylene material is tough enough to handle the bumps of outdoor adventures. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's about 3.74 pounds. Here's the thing though, this weight is a small price to pay for the protection it offers. If you're serious about drone photography and want to keep your gear safe, the weight shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel with your drone gear or plan to use it in rugged environments. Skip this one if you're just flying casually around your backyard and don't need heavy-duty protection. At this price, you're investing in peace of mind for your valuable equipment. Now, if the weight of the hard case bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Skyrite Matte Screen Protector. Next up is the Skyrite Anti-Glare Matte Screen Protector, priced at just $15.19. I was drawn to its anti-glare feature, which is a must-have when you're out flying in bright sunlight. If you want to keep your DJI Mini 4 Pro's screen safe while improving visibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This screen protector is made from 9H tempered glass, which means it's incredibly durable against scratches and impacts. At only 0.2 mm thick, it preserves your original touch experience, so you won't even notice it's there. Plus, applying it is a breeze thanks to its electrostatic adsorption technology, no bubbles. Now, some people have pointed out that the anti-glare feature doesn't completely eliminate reflections. But I'll be real with you, while it may not be perfect, it significantly reduces glare compared to a bare screen, making it much easier to see your display outdoors. This is perfect for you if you often fly in bright conditions and want to protect your controller screen. Skip this one if you mainly fly indoors or don't mind a little glare. At this price, it's a solid investment for better visibility and screen protection. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for enhancing your aerial shots. Product number 3, NEWER ND and CPL Filter Set. Coming in at number 3 is the NEWER ND and CPL filter set, priced at $37.50. This filter set is a game changer for anyone looking to take their drone photography to the next level. If you want to enhance your image quality and control lighting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set includes ND16, ND64, and ND256 filters, which help you control exposure by reducing light entering the lens, allowing for smoother video and better color saturation. The CPL filter minimizes glare from shiny surfaces, making your skies pop and your landscapes look vibrant. Each filter is crafted with multi-coated HD optical glass. They're scratch-resistant and water-repellent. However, some users mentioned that they felt the filters were a bit difficult to attach securely. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, they fit snugly and perform excellently, so it's not a huge deal. This is perfect for you if you're serious about aerial photography and want to capture stunning visuals in various lighting conditions. Skip this one if you're just flying for fun and don't care about image quality. For the price, you're getting tools that can drastically improve your shots. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile and protective, let's move to our next item. Product number 4, DJI Mini 4 Pro Wide-Angle Lens. Next, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro Wide-Angle Lens priced at $49.42. I was excited to see how this lens could expand my shooting capabilities. If you want to capture broader scenes and more of the landscape, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This lens increases your field of view from 82.1 degrees to an impressive 114 degrees for photos, and from 75 degrees to 100 degrees for videos. That means you're able to capture more of the action without sacrificing image quality. It's ideal for landscapes and group shots where you want to fit everything in. Now, some users did note that the lens can add a bit of bulk to the drone setup. But honestly, the benefits of wider shots far outweigh that minor inconvenience if you're looking for dramatic perspectives. This is perfect for you if you love landscape photography or want to make your videos more immersive. Skip this one if you're just doing standard aerial shots and don't need additional width. For the price, it's a great addition to enhance your creative options. Alright, that was a cool addition. But the last product on my list is all about protection and versatility. Product number 5, Mini 4 Pro Accessories Bundle. Finally, we have the Mini 4 Pro Accessories Bundle from Krasnik, priced at $31.54. This kit includes all the essentials for any drone pilot. If you want to protect your drone and enhance its performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bundle includes 8 low-noise propellers, a gimbal cover, landing gear, and propeller guards. The low-noise blades are designed to operate quietly, which is fantastic for flying in populated areas. The landing gear raises your drone by 2.5 cm, which helps when taking off or landing on uneven surfaces. However, some users reported that the propeller guards feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while they may not be the toughest, they still offer a good level of protection against minor bumps, making them useful for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're new to flying and want a comprehensive set of accessories to keep your drone safe. Skip this one if you're an experienced pilot with your own gear already. At this price, you get a lot of value for your money. Now let's wrap this up and see how all these products stack up against each other. So to recap, the Leica's Titan Hardcase offers top-notch protection. The Skyrate Matte Screen Protector enhances visibility. The NEWER ND and CPL filter set improves your photos. The DJI wide-angle lens captures broader scenes, and the Mini 4 Pro Accessories Bundle covers all your basic needs. Each of these accessories has its strengths tailored to different needs, so consider what's most important for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy flying.